Okay, so we determined that this lavalier microphone here does not work. I have it on my cell phone at the moment for the GoPro. Here's the GoPro with the MediaMod on it. And here's the new wireless mic system we're going to try. It's also another lavalier product. This one's called an EasJoy. I want to say it was 40 bucks. I don't know, I have to look. We are charging it right now. But it is basically this. This is the mic end of it. You clip it to your lapel. And this is the receiver end of it with the 3.5 jack. So I'm going to get off this and check and see if we can get this to work on the GoPro. Haven't tried yet, so let's do it together. Here we go. I am holding the GoPro without the MediaMod behind me. We're going to do an audio test. This is the new one, the EasJoy, another lavalier product. Lavalier, I don't know. So we're going to add the MediaMod and then plug these bad boys in and see if they work. The reviews on this one said this has to be super close to your mouth, which means it would probably work good inside of a helmet to do motovlogs or something. But it's got to be better than what it is. All right, let me hook up this MediaMod and we'll do that test. Now we have the GoPro MediaMod on. I'm about a foot behind it, sitting down. Now I'm going to get up. I'm about 3 foot behind it, and I'm about 3 foot to the side of it, and about 3 foot in front of it. Now, let's hook up the other one and see how well it works. Here we go. Okay, we're on the regular cell phone mic right now. We got the GoPro on the stand, we got the MediaMod, we got the receiver. It looks like there's an on. Let's turn those on. There's no pairing needed because they're going to be certain frequencies to match each other. Okay, let's hook this up and see what happens. This one we'll do here. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. Yep, let me turn this on. Here you go. All right, I got the receiver and the mic turned on. I got it on me. Let's turn the GoPro on. Test. Oh yeah, that's working. Hello. Test. Yep. All right, here we go. So I'm about a foot behind the GoPro. I'm about 3 foot behind the GoPro. Talking normal, not raising my voice. I'm about 3 foot to the side of the GoPro. Now I'm gonna get my ugliness in front of the GoPro. About 3 foot in front of the GoPro. And I think it's going to work. I do not know. Kind of excited. GoPro's at 39%. I don't have this directly on my face, but I do have it about, I don't know, 3 or 4 inches below my chin. So hopefully it's picking up my vocals okay. There's nothing to do now but put this video together and test it out. Anyway, that's the testing of the EasJoy by Lavalier, and it looks like we paid. Let me log on to my old Amazon. Got bugs on my phone. Your orders. That's this one. And $32. It comes with multiple adapters. But I just needed the 3.5 jack with the 2-prong, not the 3-ring, but the 2-ring to work on the GoPro. Alright, anyway, I'm going to download this footage, splice it together on iMovie, and see if the sound works. Thanks for watching. If it does, I will put another conclusion in it on the cell phone. Alright, here we go. So, back to my cell phone without the mic. I really don't have a conclusion other than it works. I've got to play with the volume control to see what it will take. It does have some volume buttons, so So maybe to turn the sensitivity up or down, I don't know. I did not try it yet. I just wanted to see if it worked, period, on the GoPro with the MediaMod, and it did. So I am super happy, and this is what I mean by the 2-ring 3.5mm jack. It's got to be one of those. Basically, you plug this in, and then you turn the GoPro on, and it will work. Any brand will work that has that jack. The adapters do not work on the GoPro MediaMod because this usually has to be powered. Alright, that's what I've got in conclusion. So let me turn this off before the background music gets me copyright infringed. Thanks for watching.